Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're at Little Morton Hall. It's just north of Stoke-on-Trent, and here it is behind me, so let's go and have a look around. Little Morton Hall, also known as Old Moreton Hall, is a moated, half-timbered manor house. The house stands on an island surrounded by a 33-foot wide moat, which was probably dug in the 13th or 14th century to enclose an earlier building on the site. There is no evidence that the moat served any defensive purpose. As with many other moated sites, it was probably intended as a status symbol. Running along the south upper floor, the long gallery is roofed with heavy gritstone slabs, the weight of which has caused the supporting floors below to bow and buckle. The earliest parts of the house were built for the prosperous Cheshire landowner William Moreton in about 1504 to 1508, and the remainder was constructed in stages by successive generations of the family until about 1610. The house remained in the possession of the Moreton family for almost 450 years, until ownership was transferred to the National Trust in 1938.